am Daggers. I am red hair, crooked teeth, and ADHD. I am in love without a lover, much like driving without a destination, because no matter what, you're bound to end up somewhere, whether it's heaven or hell or your ex-boyfriend's house at 1 a.m. with a carton of eggs. I am a rallying cry, singing "Long Live the Nobodies" and those home alone every Friday night. I am a 16-year-old girl who talks too loud, too often. My mother did not teach me to be silent. She's seen too many girls unfamiliar with their own voices, chewing their words to make them easier for someone else to swallow. So she made my voice of Daggers, gave me lipstick and told me, "Honey, it's war paint. Sometimes you have to fight to keep your body your own." When his eyes see her as a woman, but his ears hear only a girl. Only a girl who doesn't know what she's talking about. Girl, you look prettier if you smiled, but I'm not pretty. Pretty is for paintings. I'd much rather be the artist and let me be heard, not just seen. Maybe then I can paint girl for what we really are. Girl, who told you holding your head up high is a crime? Girl, do not fear your own thoughts. Girl, start a revolution. Your voice is made of daggers. Carve the words I am. You decide what follows. I am red hair, crooked teeth, and ADHD. I am love without a lover. I speak Daggers.